I just started to edit this video and I realized I never filmed an intro for it. Oh my god, I don't know how that happened. But anyways, this is going to be the flourless chocolate financier with a dark chocolate ganache and a poached saffron pear. Enjoy watching. Alright, let's get this started with poaching some conference pears. Alright, and now we let it simmer for about an hour. It depends on how ripe your pears are, it might take longer or shorter. When you think they are ready, you take a knife, you poke it into the pear, and when it's nice and soft all the way through, they are ready. Just like potatoes. Now we're going to scale up our butter and we melt it, but not too hot. Then we're going to take a big bowl and we put all the dry ingredients into the big bowl. Last step, we're going to separate our eggs and we add the vanilla extract to our egg whites. Let's take all of our dry ingredients now. We're going to put them into the mixer. And we slightly mix them so everything is nicely combined. After that we're going to add our egg whites. Then we mix it again for a little bit. And then we add our melted butter. Right, let's turn it around and demold it. The cakes have now cooled down for about 15 to 20 minutes and now the best part is coming. We're going to decorate the cakes. And this is it. The flourless chocolate financier with a dark chocolate ganache and a poached saffron pear on top. It is so much easier than you think it is, and you should definitely give this one a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.